Well friends, here is the next problem. Before moving to the problem, I will read the given direction. The direction is, when the problem figure is folded into cube, which one of the following cubes will be formed? So here they have given an unfolded cube, and if it is folded, we have to find which of the given alternative it matches. Okay. So whenever you find the problem related to cubes, you have to remember which face is opposite to which face. So first, convert this given figure or the unfolded cube into general form of unfolded cube. Actually, the given figure is not in general form of unfolded cube. You have to convert this. Before converting that, I want to draw the general form of unfolded cube here. So this is a general form of unfolded cube, and I will number the faces. So this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So I numbered, or I have given numbers to all the faces. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. And the first face is always opposite to third face, and the second face is always opposite to fourth face, and lastly fifth face is opposite to sixth face. So I will write here, first face is always opposite to third face, second face is always opposite to fourth face, and lastly fifth face is always opposite to sixth face. Now, as I said, this given figure is not in the general form. You have to convert that given figure in this general unfolded cube format, and then give numbers to faces, and according to this, that is, first face always opposite to third, second face is always opposite to fourth, and lastly fifth face always opposite to sixth. Using this, you can eliminate some of the options and finally come to right option. Now coming to the given figure, I will draw that figure here. This is the given figure. Now you have to convert this into general unfolded cube format. So to convert this, you should keep this center face as it is. First, keep this center face as it is, and you shift this face to this place. Now if you shift that, so how this modified? Okay, if you shift this face here, then this will look like this. Now you keep this face as it is, so draw that face as it is here. Now there is no face here, so you have to shift this face. Because I am not having any face here, you have to shift this face here. So if you shift that, the figure will look like this. And just keep this face at the same place. Means you have to draw that face here. And keep this face at the same place. That means you have to draw that face here. Okay. Now this is converted into general form of unfolded cube. Okay. Now you have to give numbers to those faces. I will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have given numbers to all the faces. As I said, first face will be opposite to third face. Fourth face will be opposite to second face. Our second phase will be opposite to fourth phase, and lastly this fifth phase will be opposite to sixth phase. So using this, I can say that this blank phase will be opposite to the blank phase, and this shape, that is something looking like plus symbol, it should be opposite to, yes, this triangle phase. And the last, that is fifth phase, which is having some square, one square is present here, so this phase will be opposite to sixth phase, and sixth phase is containing a circular form or a shape which is, yes, which is here. Using this, I will eliminate some of the options. Okay, now moving to the given options. So here is the first option. If you see first option, I'm having a square, I'm having a plus symbol, and I'm having a blank phase. So first option may be my correct option. Now moving to second option. In the second option, I'm having plus symbol, I'm having square symbol, and I'm having some symbol like this in the second option. If you see the unfolded general format of the given figure, this fifth phase is having square and it is opposite to the phase 6, and phase 6 is having this shape. So when square is appearing to your eyes, then it should not appear to your eyes, because it is, the square is exactly opposite to this shape, or this shape is exactly opposite to the square. But in the second option, I am having the square is clearly visible and this shape is also visible. That means they are not opposite to each other. So this option will be a wrong option. Opposite means what? Opposite means what? Yes, when you are looking this, you cannot look opposite face of that particular shape. That means the opposite face. Now moving to third option. In the third option, I am having triangle and I am having plus symbol. So as from this general form of unfolded cube, the plus symbol should be opposite to triangle. Plus symbol should be opposite to triangle. But in the third option, yes, it is not. So this is also a wrong option. Now moving to last option. In the last option, it is clearly seen that there are two neighboring faces which are, which are blank. But from observing this figure, the blank faces should be opposite to each other, because first face, third face. First face should be opposite to third face. So blank faces should be opposite to each other. In the fourth option, it is not. So fourth option is also a wrong option. Now I am left with only first option. So the first option will be the right option. So I can take this as the right option. Okay friends, this is how we solved this example, and you should remember this general form of unfolded cube, and then which face is opposite to which face. Here first face is opposite to third, second face is opposite to fourth, fifth face is opposite to sixth. So before solving, you have to convert the given figure into general unfolded figure format. This is very, very important point. Okay friends, now I will move to next problem.